Hello YouTube. So today I want to talk about a product that I've used for headlight restoration on cars. And so what you're looking at is a vehicle. This is a Saab 93 that I own that has a pretty cloudy headlight, and I plan on using this product, and I want to just do a short testimonial. I'm not going to show you how to use it because there are many videos out there on YouTube that shows you the step-by-step and how to do it, and the instructions are pretty good. So this is how the headlight looks, and you look at the other side, it's pretty similar. Pretty kind of cloudy, the spots there, little fine scratches and things like that. Now what I want to show you is we're going to go to a vehicle that I did this using this product, polishing the headlights, about a year and a half ago. And look at how different that looks, right? It's totally 100% clear. This vehicle actually had it worse than the one I just showed you. This is also a Saab 93, and you look at those headlights, right? So that was a year and a half ago that I did that, and it's still holding up really good. Look at this. So what I'm going to do is talk about this product, and so here it is. It's the Sylvania headlight restoration kit. And so again, there's a lot of products out there. I've used a lot of them, and this is the best of them, and it cost me like $20, I think. I bought this online. Now the secret to this product, I'm gonna open up the box. I'm not gonna even show you what's inside because it's just the usual sandpaper and bottles. There's cleaning solutions, stuff like that. But this is what's really important to get the results that you want, and to make sure that it lasts for a long time. So this is a UV block clear coat, and what this is basically kind of a clear coat paint, and you apply it using kind of a piece of cloth that they give you. And the secret to this is you want to make sure that that piece of cloth is completely saturated with this clear coat. The more the better, and you want to apply it, a lot of it, onto the headlight, the last step, and this is going to give you the long-lasting effect that you want. I've had some other vehicles that using this kit and applying it properly, the headlights, it stayed clear for 2, 3, 4 years. So this is the most important step. So you buy this product, remember the last step, put this on very generously, and you're gonna be good. So that's about it. Short video, just a testimonial. I'm not being paid by Sylvania. This is just wanted to share with everyone, so you don't have to go hunt down different products. And a lot of people ask me if hey, what's the best to use for the headlight restoration. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like, and leave some comments. And thanks a lot. God bless, and goodbye.